Ooh. Ooh. Okay. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Zeph from Cruise Customs. Today we are working on the car again, the A4 Audi. It is getting done up with some headlights. Now we got this special box in right here. We about to crack it open. I don't even remember what these headlights looks like, so it's gonna be a surprise to me just like it is for you. But this is gonna make the car look a lot better. It'll kind of get rid of these chrome things that we call headlights, and it'll make the front end flow. So this is what we want to do, just like we did to baby blue. Black headlights, black grille, black everything, it kind of flows. So the same thing is gonna go for this, and hopefully it looks good. So let's crack open this box and get looking at what these headlights look like. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Fire! Got the headlights out, or the headlight out. We're gonna take off the front bumper. This shouldn't take too long because I didn't put the bolts back in from last video, but we're not gonna talk about that. So yeah, let's get this front bumper off and hopefully get these headlights off and put this new one on. Skis. Oh, that looks fire. That looks fire. I'm messing with you. Freshly installed headlights done. I mean, they're on the car, but I still gotta tint them so we don't have any sun fade issues. There's one tip that we gave you from Cruise Customs is always tint the headlights clear, because we did on the Beetle, no sun fade. We didn't do it on Baby Blue and there was a lot of sun fade. So we just gotta be smart and do it on this car because we want to keep these headlights looking spicy. So we got some clear tint and we're about to put it on the car, and yeah, we'll just show you the process of doing all that and get that done. So here's the clear tint, put it on the car, and then we're gonna button up everything, make everything look pretty on this car and show you the finished product. So let's get it. Okay guys, I just got finished putting all this stuff back together. I tinted the headlights completely so it's ready to get everything put back on the car. So we're gonna put the bumper back on the car, tighten everything up and see how it looks. And in the meantime, it looks pretty good right now. We might just run it like this. Just kidding, but we go put this bumper on and stuff, get a finishing touch look and everything. I'll hit you guys back up when I'm done. Let's get it. Okay, video is almost done. You know, we got everything put back together on the car. So right now we're gonna get into the car and test if the lights actually do work and see how they look on the vehicle turned on, or what you would see during the nighttime. So let's get into that. I'm gonna grab the keys real quick. You already know, trusty dusty keys. Let's get in the car, let's whip it.
Why is it recording?
So headlights are working. It looks amazing. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video if you guys did. I mean, it came out looking really good, and we got more plans with this car, so stay tuned. But this is just the start. Look at this. Look at this. I like it. So hope you guys did enjoy. It's been your boy Zeph from Cruise Custom, and I'm out. Deuces. Peace.